right. All right, guys. I'm going to give you the best practice for creating the honor roll system. We just got a new method of doing it. It's a little bit harder, but it works. So you're going to log into Wodify, go to reporting. You're going to click on attendance. After you click on attendance, you're going to scroll to the bottom and go to total attendance history. All right, guys. So from here, what you're going to do is you're going to hop in this. Obviously, it's February. I need January data. I'm going to click on last month. It's going to give me the month of January because I'm in February. I want to know how many people came to the class in the month of January. It's going to have everybody, active athletes only, and all I'm going to do is export. So again, for our honor roll system, we're looking for people that came more than 14 times. So I'm going to come here, total attendance history, and all I'm going to do is literally it lists how many times they actually came. So Adriana French, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. She's came 20 times in that month. She's going to be on our honor roll list, right? So ideally, I mean, this is kind of Stone Age in terms of the way that this is done, but it works. You can kind of eyeball it. Like Alan Baldwin would not fit into that list. Amber Amons wouldn't. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. She missed it by 1, right? Angela Burt won't make the list. Angelica won't make the list. Annie Underwood wouldn't make the list. You can just go through here and see, no, here might be one. Arushka, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. She would make the list. So again, go through here. It's 635 entries, but it shouldn't take too long considering that, you know, Erica Washington wouldn't make it. Aaron Bird wouldn't make it. Well, maybe she would. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. A little bit short. Gary West obviously wouldn't make it. Go through there, and what you do is, when I find who I need, Adriana, I think she had 16. I'm just going to come in here, blow up my honor roll doc, 200%. I'm going to go to this location, and there's Adriana French again. I'm going to go ahead and I'll clear this out. Make sure she's in the top first left. Adriana French goes right here. And then I just go down my list. Make sure you change your date. My date is going to be Feb 20. However you spell February, and there you go. I'm going to go to undo. I'll let the person that's supposed to do this. Okay, guys, that is how you do this system. After that, follow the necessary steps to email that to the marketing company and everybody else you need to email it to. Post on social media as you're supposed to. Thank you and have a good day.